Hi everyone, Paul here with Newegg TV. Today I'm going to take you through a quick unboxing and an overview of the features of the new Rosewill Lightning series of power supplies. I have the 800 watt version here. Alright, so first there's a look at the box. You can see a little bit of a nice retro stylings here. Also got the 80+ gold certification logo right there on the front. And a quick overview of the specs and features. This has both ATX 12 volt and EPS 12 volt connectors, so you can use the 4-pin or 8-pin. It's 80+ gold certified, as indicated by the logo. It has full range active power factor correction. Also multi-GPU support. There's 6 PCI Express 6 plus 2-pin connectors, so you can have. So that will provide power for up to 3 of your higher-end video cards. Yes, video cards. It's also got a 140mm dual ball bearing fan. Selectable fan LED light color, so the colors that you see on the front there, you can swap those around or turn it off if you so prefer. Extra solid PipeRock modular connectors. We'll get to those once we get out of the box. Also Japanese main and DC output capacitors, so high quality internals. Also overcurrent voltage power and temperature protection, and 3-year warranty. So let's get it out of the box. Alright, so first off you have your Rosewill Lightning, oops, that's upside down, manual here. It's got some features, package contents, installation instructions. You get a nice little zip-up case here for all of your modular connectors. They're all inside there. The power supply itself comes in a nice there's some foam protection inside the box, also bubble wrap around the power supply. And there's the unit. So you can see the modular connections there in the back. A little bundle of permanently connected cables, 140mm fan. And on the back you have a grill for exhaust. And there's where you plug in your AC power and an on-off switch. Alright, so just to complete our unboxing, I'm going to go over the connectors that are included. And what do we have? Alright, so here is a PCI Express connector. This is a SATA power connector. You have a single plug with 1, 2, 3, 4 power plugs. Another one of those. This is another PCI Express power. Here's your third PCI Express power. This is another power connection with Molex connectors, 4 Molex and 1 floppy power connector. Another one like that, 4 Molex and 1 floppy. And our fourth PCI Express connector. So there are 4 PCI Express connectors that you can add on, and then you have 2 more that are already attached. And actually, let's go over the connections that are part of the power supply. So here is your PCI Express. Oh, there we go. Those are 2 single. So that gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 PCI Express power. And those are all 6 plus 2. There's your EPS power right there, 4 or 8 pin. And finally, motherboard power connector, and that's a 20 plus 4. So 20 or 24 pin, most used at 24. So here are your modular plugs on the back. They're all pretty clearly labeled. You have PCI Express power connectors here, 2 and 2. And then also for your Molex and floppies, you have these 4 blue ones here. All of these are protected with a little rubber grommet head thing right there. And here is your modular cable. They actually have a little securing ring there. So they're keyed. You can only fit them in one way, and just like that. And then you tighten down this little ring, and you have a nice secure modular cable plugged in. So that's not going to come loose if you're tying down cables or putting any pressure on it. Alright, so moving on to a quick test of our 800 watt lightning unit here. Unfortunately, I don't have any actual load testing equipment. That stuff's pretty expensive, so really just going to power it up to show you how the cool lighting features work. So just going to plug in our power supply tester here. Alright. Power the unit on. So you can see Each of the modular cables, once plugged in, actually that little unit lights up, even if the other end of the cable is not plugged into anything. So you can see those lighting up there. Also, on the bottom of the unit, you have your LED fan. So it gives you a nice rainbow effect. But that is optional. There's a switch over here, so if you're not into that, you can change the color of the fan lighting. Or if you don't want any lighting at all, you can turn that off all the way. But I guess these modular cables do stay lit up. But you can turn that main 140mm fan to whichever color you want. And that about wraps it up. This has been our overview and unboxing of the Rosewill 800 watt Lightning Series power supply. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time on Newegg TV.